It's another sunny but windy day at the pond. Got an ibis nearby, and then halfway across the pond is the Sandhill crane family. Make that 2 ibis. There's also a speckled duck. And then I first heard and went looking for a woodpecker. Turned out to be a red-bellied woodpecker. Once in a while, I'll see a sandhill crane sort of on its knees while eating. I'm not quite sure why. I suppose if you have really long legs, it's a lot to reach down to the grass. It's time for a drink of water for the cranes. And apparently it is bath day. These 2 cranes splashed around and washed themselves off. This went on for 4 or 5 minutes. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this as peaceful and relaxing as I did. Hope you're staying safe and well.